Hello and welcome to my laundry room. We'll be looking at this Esatto ETL 6.1 washing machine. Now I've had this for several years and it's very reliable. It was the cheapest laundry machine from appliances online. I don't think this one's made anymore, but it is pretty good. It does everything you want. It does all kinds of cycles. It does warm, it does hot, it does spinning, it does everything. And the lid does this little thing where it just barely closes over the landlord special dryer. It's amazing. And of course, it washes things pretty good. And I use the timer function from time to time, you could say. Overall, I'm quite happy with this. It's really no frills, but it gets the job done. It just goes to show you, you don't need to break the bank to wash your clothes at home.